Hey everyone, Jan here, codingwithjan.com. So today I want to answer a question that has been coming up every now and then: how to sell digital products on Shopify. So this could be anything along the lines of ebooks, digital art, stock photos or videos, music that you've created, maybe custom meal plans or premium recipes, or other documents such as industry reports, guides, printables, etc. And all these items can be a great source of additional revenue or could even be implemented as an upsell to your physical products. And the best news of all, it's pretty straightforward to get started. So we're going to be diving right in. And if you need further support, leave us a comment or check out the links in the description. Okay, so then I'm starting in the admin dashboard of my development store. And regardless of which way you're going to be using, the first step will always be to create the products you want to sell by hand or manually. So you can just go into products and then add new products. As you can tell, I already created 4 of them, the business reports that I want to sell. And let's take a look at one of these to see the most important settings. So obviously you can enter a title, a description. You can also use AI to generate the description. You also want to upload an image that represents your digital item, set a price, charge taxes, yes. And inventory, this part is important. I would uncheck this checkbox here, whether or not we want to track the quantity, because digital items don't really run out of stock, so we can sell them indefinitely, and then we don't run into any stock issues. And then lastly, we also want to disable this shipping option right here, because digital items don't require shipping. And then we remove the checkout step where customers have to enter their shipping address. I can also show you that really quick. So usually when you sell physical products, such as this plant pot right here, at checkout, customers will be prompted to enter their information first, but then there's an additional shipping step right here where they have to select the shipping method. And here you can see that the shipping method step is disabled for our digital product because we unchecked this checkbox here. So in summary, you can just create digital products as if they were normal products, and then you just want to make sure to don't track the quantity and disable shipping. Okay, now with your digital products in place, customers could already come in and start purchasing them. So this is just the front end of my website. I only created one collection containing all the reports. And there's really nothing stopping someone from just going in, adding this item to the cart, and then going to checkout, entering payment details and so forth. And that is really the simplest implementation possible, because now you could just wait for an order to come in and then fulfill the item manually. Send it via email, send them a Google Drive link, or depending on what you sell, there might also be some fulfillment steps on your end. Let's say you're selling custom recorded music or digital art, then you would first have to create that, right? However, in most cases, the digital items people sell don't require further personalization, like this finance report here, or some sort of premium PDF, or recipes, or meal plans. And then you want to have things a bit more automated. Send the download link automatically, or have a download button on checkout, download your item right here after someone pays for the item. And that's what we're going to have a look at in the next step. Okay, now in order to achieve this higher level of automation, we will have to work with apps. And the first one I'm about to show you is going to be entirely for free. It's decent enough to get started. And I will also explain the limitations and then also present you with one more advanced option so that you can see or decide for yourself. And first we can get started by using the search bar and just search for digital downloads. And then we want to search for that keyword in the Shopify App Store. It's this one right here with the black download icon. Here you can also see that this app is officially developed and maintained by Shopify. And personally, I think the rating is not justified. They might have had some issues in the past, but I think the app works quite well. You will see that for yourself in a second. So let's go ahead and install this app. Okay, install app. All right, app installed successfully. And it already got me to the app's dashboard right here, where we see all the products in the store. So I have a ton of demo products in here. But let me search for the reports right here. Let's use the finance report as an example. So let me bring this up. And here we can upload the corresponding files with a file size limit of 5 gigabytes. So that's one of the limitations, depending on what you sell. Should be good in most cases though. So now I'm grabbing the corresponding PDF, just drag and drop it into this interface. and then wait for everything to upload. Okay, seems it has worked, and if you want, you can also take a look at the fulfillment options. I would just leave these on default, yeah, automatically send the files, and people can download this file unlimited times. We don't want to enforce a limit on that. And then we can just save this product here. Okay, so now our product is good to go. And before I show you how things look on the front end, let's have a quick look at the settings. So this is pretty straightforward. We have one email template that is sent to the user when the download is ready. You can also change the language to whatever you want. However, unfortunately, this doesn't support HTML customizations, so the email will always look pretty basic, but it's good enough to get started. And then I would also enable this setting right here, which creates a download button on the order status page or order confirmation page, so that people can download their item right away. Okay, now once everything is set up, I would also highly recommend doing a test order so you get a feeling how everything looks on both ends. You can either create a 100% discount code or just do a normal order, or if you're on a development store like I am, you can use some testing payment methods. But yeah, let me show you what I mean, or let me show you the most important edge cases. So here I'm on the front end, adding this product to the cart, going to checkout. So here I'm just completing the checkout with some test data. And on this development store, I have a fake credit card provider here for testing purpose. So credit card number is just going to be 1. And with that, we can complete our order. Okay, so order confirmed. Now it's also preparing the download link. Should only take a couple of seconds. Okay, so here we go, and now I can download our report. How awesome is that? Okay, then let me also show you how this looks in emails. So the customer first gets the default order confirmation email. Using this button here, they also get back to the order status page. So in case they're looking for the download link, it's still right here. Now beyond that, we also get a second email containing the download link directly. So this is the one based on the app's template that we saw in the settings, the super simple template here. And one thing to note is that this email is coming from delivery@shopify.com. So if you rather want to use your own domain or your own store's name for branding reasons or need more extensive templates, then you would have to use a different app, because this is one of the limitations. Okay, now there are 2 other things I want to give you on the way that might save you a bunch of time troubleshooting. So first of all, this download button here only shows up on paid orders, which means you want to automatically capture credit card payments. You can do that on the admin dashboard in the payment settings. Let me show you that really quick. So payments, and then on the right half side for me, payment capture method, and you want to set it to automatically at checkout. Yeah, otherwise the download button doesn't show up or just keeps loading forever. And then the other important thing I want to draw your attention to is that if you're using manual payment methods, such as bank deposit instead of credit card, the download button also wouldn't show up on the order status page. And that is because at this point, it's uncertain whether or not the order has been paid or will be paid. And in these cases, you have to manually go into your orders. And after you've confirmed that the payment went through, you can first of all mark this order as paid to stay organized in your company or in your store. And then you also want to fulfill this item. You can just click this fulfill button, fulfill item. And then the app will automatically send the email with the download link. Yeah, so just keep in mind, on automatic payments, you will find the download link on the order confirmation page, and the email will also be sent automatically. And then for any manual payment methods, you first have to confirm the payment went through and then fulfill the item on the back end. That's when the email gets sent to the customer. All right, and with that, we can bring this video to an end. We've seen a super simple but yet fully functional solution, which is decent enough to get started with. And if you're interested in some more advanced customizations and more options, then you can check out the following app here, Easy Digital Products. They are not affiliated in any way. They don't sponsor this video. I don't know these guys, but I've tested a bunch and found this one to be one of the best apps. Costs $10 a month, which I feel is very fair. That's like 1 order per month. So yeah, can't really complain about that. And then you get all the advanced options like higher file size limit, also configuring your own email server, more flexibility in terms of the email templates. You can customize the download area on the order status page. And I'm pretty sure I'm forgetting something here. So if you're looking for more advanced options, then give it a try. I can highly recommend this one. All right, and that's it for today. Really hope this was a helpful starting guide. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Or if you need more direct support, then check out the links in the description. Otherwise, let me know what you want to see next and have an amazing rest of your day. I'm going to catch you in the next. Bye.